Yo, your most frequently asked questions are like, how do I make videos using a phone? How do I edit my videos on phone, and what are the best editors for phone? How do I make thumbnails using a phone? I don't have a laptop or desktop. Can I still start my own channel? And stuff like that. Well, guess what? You can. Now, if you have the same questions, then this video is exactly what you need. And hi guys, my name is Kohl Karmakar. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And in this video, we are going to talk about exactly what I just mentioned. So whether you have a desktop or not, this video is going to be informative thoroughly. So watch it till the end and let's begin. Now, I have divided this video in 4 sections: shooting, editing, uploading, and other free tools. Number 1 is shooting. Now, how to get the most of it that you already have? That is your mobile phone. Find the best lighting that is available in your house. It may be a window, a door, balcony, and a decent amount of background. Like the one you see behind me, it is actually my vision board and has nothing to do with this video, but I just added it for an element, and that's it. And if you really want to know how you can actually jazz up your wall or room, then you can watch this video. I have talked about some DIY decors which were primarily to decorate my background. You don't need a tripod, just stack some books and you're good to go. And for better audio, you can actually clip on your headphone to the collar of your t-shirt and hide the earbuds inside, and that way you will achieve better audio. And in case your inbuilt camera does not catch audio from external mic, then go for Open Camera app, and in the settings you will be able to add external mic. Open Camera does not only give you the option of adding an external mic, but it also lets you choose the ISO, the temperature, etc. Basically all the professional stuff that you get in DSLR. So you can make the most of it from there as well. Another tip would be, if it is possible to close the doors and windows, then do that to get noise-free audio. Nevertheless, if you have some background noise in the audio, you can always add a little music. That way it won't be noticeable. Which brings me to the next point, that is editing. Today there are so many editors out there that you can do so many stuff only from your mobile. Now, if I have to start with one, I would definitely go with Kinemaster, because it gives you so many professional options and it just makes your work easier and everything at once. But Kinemaster is a paid app unless you want a big logo here on your video. But I'm not saying you to go against the rules, but there are ways that you can get the app without paying. So you need to do your bit of research. Yeah. And I did not suggest that. My next favorite app is Inshot. It allows you all good things, and especially the new feature allows you transition, voiceover, और क्या चाहिए. Now these two apps are something that have provided me anything and everything, so I never really looked for any other mobile editor. But if you are looking for something, then I'll definitely link some articles or YouTube videos to take your research further. But I would definitely mention B612 app, which recently came up with video editing option. Now it definitely compresses your video, but if you are getting some effects like this, or let's say this, then why not go for it, right? And it also allows you to slim your face and stuff like that. So you can definitely check that out as well for a pinch of creativity. Now let's talk about the background music, as we were just mentioning. So Kinemaster and B612 both comes with non-copyright music, but if that is not enough for you and you want more and more options, then you can definitely go to YouTube and search for non-copyright music or copyright-free music and select one. Go to your browser, search for YouTube to MP3 converter, paste the link, download the audio, and voila, you have the audio that can be used in your video. How cool and easy is that? Now comes uploading. Now why have I mentioned it? Because it's important. While uploading, make sure the video is private and then write a compelling title, description, and then comes the tags. Now what do you add in the tags? Well, to help you with the tags, I have two options for you. There are more as well. You can go ahead and search them. But these two are my favorite. Number one is Tubebuddy. Yes, they came up with an app and you can make the most out of it from your mobile phone as well. And then there is this another app called UTag. Both of them works very similarly. Just type in your title and they will suggest you the most appropriate and relevant tags, and you can just copy and paste them to your YouTube video that is being uploaded. That is how your tag part is sorted. But still we are not sorted on the custom made thumbnails. So keep your video private while uploading from YouTube, from mobile YouTube. Now let's talk about my favorite part, that is making a thumbnail. Now, if you're familiar with Picsart, Picsart allows you to do anything and everything. So I'd say go ahead and make a pretty cool and aesthetic thumbnail from Picsart. Make sure the sharpness is slightly over than usual so that it is appealing to anyone and everyone watching it from YouTube, because the thumbnails are pretty small in size. So if they're sharp, they'll be more visible. Another thing I would like to mention is then go to Pinterest and search for aesthetic YouTube thumbnail. You will see so many thumbnails and they're so aesthetic. You'll get some inspiration and then create your own thumbnail. Now, if you don't want to do all of that, then Canva is your best friend. They have ton of templates. All you need to do is just tap on one template, edit your picture, like remove the picture that is there and edit your own picture, edit the text. You can change the color of any element in that picture or any text in that picture and you're good to go. That is how easy it is to make your thumbnail from Canva. Or else you can just start with a blank canvas and create your own magic. Another application that I really love is background remover, that helps you to remove all the background and just your face will be visible. And I think that really helps you make a cohesive edit, I believe, like this thumbnail or this thumbnail. Now that you have made a thumbnail, how are you going to upload it? Clearly, YouTube mobile application does not allow you to upload your own thumbnail, custom thumbnail. You need to download YouTube Studio app, which not only allows you to add custom thumbnail but allows you to do so many things, like so many things. It not only allows you to edit your videos, like adding it to a playlist, changing the name of all the playlists you already have, making a video public from private or private from public, all of that, but it also gives you all the analytics that you get on the desktop. How cool is that? And that's all about it. Oh wait, we have other tools as well. I have 3 tools for you. Number one is Bitly, that actually helps you shorten your YouTube link or any link. Not only that, it also gives you the freedom to custom made your link. Like, let's say my channel's name is Kohl Karmakar and I have converted my YouTube's channel ID into bit.ly/Kohl Karmakar. So if that tag, if that text is not taken already, then you can use it for your custom made links. Number 2 is latest YouTube, and I'll link all of them in the description box below, don't worry. So what latest YouTube does is it allows you to sync it with your channel, YouTube channel, and it will make a custom made link for you so that whenever a person clicks on it, he or she will be directed to the latest video you have uploaded. Number 3 is a woobox. Woobox allows you to make a Facebook page, and your Facebook audience can actually see your YouTube videos, which will give your YouTube video views, but they won't be directed to YouTube. So it's like they're watching a video on Facebook, but that's actually your YouTube video, and the view is actually going to be counted in your YouTube. How cool is that? Like, there are people who don't want to, change the platform. If they're scrolling through Facebook, they just want to stick to Facebook, and those are the people woobox is going to target. And that way it's a win-win situation for you and your audience. So that was it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below if I missed anything. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.